Hello everyone! Here are 3 compelling reasons to consider upgrading to the CS-MTK447TW battery for your Motorola two-way radios. Firstly, with its high capacity of 2300 mAh, this battery guarantees extended usage, which is essential during long shifts when reliable communication is critical. Secondly, this battery is fully compatible with Motorola's industry-exclusive Impres technology. Impres products are designed to be smarter by talking to each other. This advanced technology enables communication between the charger and the battery, allowing for automated battery reconditioning, the display of crucial charging information, and other key benefits. The memory chip in Impres batteries stores all usage information, which can then be accessed and analyzed by any Impres charger. Additionally, Impres chargers come equipped with built-in reconditioning capabilities that are automatically employed whenever an Impres battery in need of maintenance is inserted. Lastly, each CS-MTK447TW battery unit adheres to rigorous ISO 9001 standards and is backed by a 12-month warranty, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. Upgrade today to experience reliable and extended communication performance. Get yours now and witness the difference. Get